Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 5 questions for 5-5HR01 assessment for 2025-26. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on. Handling employee grievances effectively is a critical responsibility for organizations, particularly in the public sector where transparency, fairness, and accountability are expected. A grievance refers to a formal complaint raised by an employee regarding workplace concerns such as unfair treatment, working conditions, discrimination, bullying, or management decisions. When grievances are addressed promptly and fairly, employees feel that their concerns are taken seriously, which strengthens trust in management and reinforces a culture of respect. Effective grievance management also contributes to maintaining positive employee relations and organizational stability, especially during periods of change such as mergers or restructuring. If grievances are ignored or handled poorly, they can escalate into disputes, low morale, absenteeism, or even legal claims. Therefore, organizations must ensure that managers understand grievance procedures and follow them consistently. Clear policies, open communication, and impartial investigation processes help ensure that concerns are resolved fairly and that employees remain engaged and committed. When employee grievances are not handled properly, the consequences for organizations can be significant. Poor grievance management can lead to unresolved tensions between employees and management, which often escalate into wider workplace conflict. This can disrupt team collaboration and reduce organizational effectiveness. Employees who believe their concerns are ignored may experience frustration, stress, and dissatisfaction, which in turn lowers morale, productivity, and commitment to the organization. In the public sector, where accountability and fairness are highly valued, failing to address grievances appropriately can also damage the organization's reputation and undermine confidence in leadership. Furthermore, unresolved grievances may escalate into formal disputes, tribunal claims, or legal complaints, particularly if issues relate to discrimination, harassment, or unfair treatment. These situations can result in costly legal proceedings and negative publicity. Therefore, organizations must ensure that grievances are handled consistently, transparently, and in accordance with established policies and legal frameworks. Handling grievances lawfully is essential to protect both employees and organizations. In many workplaces, grievance procedures are guided by employment legislation and recognized codes of practice that outline fair processes for managing complaints. These frameworks require employers to investigate complaints thoroughly, give employees the opportunity to present their case, and ensure decisions are impartial and evidence-based. Following established procedures not only promotes fairness, but also ensures that organizations can demonstrate that they acted reasonably if a case is challenged legally. For public sector organizations in particular, adherence to policy frameworks is essential because they are accountable to the public and must maintain high standards of governance. Clear grievance policies also help managers understand their responsibilities and reduce the risk of inconsistent or biased decisions. By ensuring procedures are transparent, documented, and consistently applied, organizations create a structured process for resolving concerns while protecting the rights of employees. Managers play a crucial role in ensuring that employee grievances are addressed effectively and professionally. As the first point of contact for many employees, managers are often responsible for recognizing early signs of dissatisfaction or conflict in the workplace. By encouraging open communication and creating a supportive environment, managers can help employees raise concerns before they escalate into formal grievances. When a grievance is formally raised, managers must ensure that it is handled objectively and fairly. This includes conducting a thorough investigation, gathering relevant evidence, and ensuring that all parties have the opportunity to present their perspectives. Confidentiality is also important to maintain trust and protect those involved. However, many managers, particularly those new to the public sector, may lack experience in handling complex employee relations issues. Providing training on grievance procedures, employment law, and conflict management can help managers build the confidence and skills needed to manage grievances consistently and effectively. Effective grievance management offers significant benefits for both employees and organizations. When employees know that their concerns will be taken seriously and addressed fairly, they are more likely to trust leadership and remain committed to the organization. This contributes to a positive workplace culture where employees feel respected and valued. Early and effective resolution of grievances also prevents small concerns from escalating into larger conflicts that can disrupt teams and reduce productivity. In the context of a merged public sector organization, where employees may already be adjusting to new leadership and structural changes, a strong grievance process can provide reassurance and stability. It demonstrates that the organization is committed to fairness and responsible management practices. In addition, effective grievance handling supports employee well-being by ensuring that workplace issues such as bullying, discrimination, or unfair treatment are addressed appropriately. Ultimately, a well-managed grievance process strengthens employee relations and enhances organizational credibility.